What if the answer to your retirement worries has been sitting right under your feet? Hi, my name's Ken Pitts and I'm a mortgage advisor, and I'm also an author of Kinetic Wealth. And today we're going to be talking about utilizing the reverse mortgage as a way to enhance your retirement income and further afford your retirement. Home equity is often the largest, most untapped asset that a retiree has. In a recent Vanguard retirement readiness study, it was shown that the majority of Americans' assets is sitting right in their home in the equity of their house. Utilizing a reverse mortgage allows you to unlock that equity and use it to help cash flow your retirement. Reverse mortgages allow you to access equity in your home, and you won't have any monthly payment that you have to make to repay it. The interest accumulates on the loan over time. So by eliminating that monthly payment, it improves your cash flow for one, and the money that you take out of your home is untaxed. The IRS doesn't look at it as income. So it's a really good tool to be able to utilize to pull money out and help supplement your retirement income. Utilizing the reverse mortgage funds from that asset enable you to be able to balance out how much money you need to take out of your existing savings, 401ks or IRAs that you've put aside for retirement. This way, you have a balancing asset. And it's really important in markets that are not doing well. They call this a sequence of returns. If you have a poor stock market, for example, where stocks are going down, you could draw off of the funds on your house through your reverse mortgage and take less money out of your retirement account until the market recovers. There's a lot of strategies that can be done this way utilizing the reverse mortgage. The reverse mortgage can also be a flexible savings account, for example, that you can draw off of to cover unexpected healthcare costs, unexpected house repairs, if you need to do renovations to the house, or if you want to make some health upgrades to the house, such as changing your bathroom so that it's maybe a shower with that you don't have to step into, if you need to put grab bars up, things like that, widening doorways for wheelchairs. It can really be an opportunity to tap into the equity of your house to make your house livable for the long term. Basically, you don't have to sell your home to obtain the financial freedom that you want. If you'd like more information on how a reverse mortgage can help you during retirement, please reach out to me, Ken Pitts. I'm also an author. Make sure you get a copy of my book, kineticwealth.com, that details how the reverse mortgage can work for you during retirement. And we'll see you in our next video.